आम्ही अशी मजुरी करते, तर 1500 रुपये महिन्याला येतात. तर काय करायचं सांगा बघू तुम्ही. नाही केलं तर खायला कसं भेटणार?
गरीबी और रोग, एक सिक्के के दो पहलू. Poverty is both the cause and the consequence of poor health.
Health is a focus area on which MDL functions.
Vision dimmed by age. Sight lost to poverty. Cataract is one of the biggest causes of blindness in India. A simple procedure is enough to cure it. लेकिन अभाव और तंगी के कारण ये भी नामुमकिन.
The earning potential completely goes down. They are not able to look after their family as also themselves. And it's purely because they are not able to see.
MDL का लक्ष्य बिल्कुल साफ. Restore vision in the backward areas of Thane and Raigad in Maharashtra. Lakshmi Charitable Eye Trust was the chosen partner. एक का अनुभव, दूसरे के संसाधन.
They just can't afford anything. But when they couldn't see with both eyes, that we literally picked up and brought here. And like God sent, we had the CSR with MDL. So we could step up and scale up our work.
Waghole village in Alibag. Villagers are flocking in. A majority of them are elderly tribals. Their sight fading.
डोळे चेक करण्यासाठी आलेलो आहे. तर पैसे बिसे काय नाही, मोफत.
It's a free service. A holistic health checkup. आंखों के साथ संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य की जांच.
So simultaneously with cataract surgery, their general health is also checked. So in a way, this kind of a screening camp helps them, 360 degree.
Patients who need cataract surgery are identified, shortlisted, counseled. The entire expense for treatment is provided for.
मैं हमारे कहता हूँ, अभी किधर लेके जाते उधर जाएगा, लेकिन मेरे पास आधार कार्ड, रेशन कार्ड सब कुछ है.
These are the poorest of the tribal people who need to be supported with the very basic amenities which we take them for granted.
A well-equipped, state-of-the-art hospital awaits the patients. The equipment, infrastructure, and all facilities have been modernized with funds from MDL CSR.
One, it has scaled up the work. Number two, it has improved the quality of work. So it's a ripple effect. And for that, we are indebted to MDL for doing all this for us.
The outpatient department and the operation theatre facilitate treatment of cataract, glaucoma, even childhood blindness.
Just about 3,000 to 4,000 rupees of that particular medical intervention has brought their life back on track, and they are able to look after not only themselves but the entire family.
Each breath labored, life hanging by a thread. ये नवजात बहुत बीमार है. इस इलाज के बिना बचना नामुमकिन.
So we took up this particular project that all the underprivileged, so families which come there for delivery, their children needs to be looked after.
MDL has funded the entire renovation and modernization of the neonatal ICU at KEM Municipal Hospital, Mumbai.
Now every bed is equipped with state-of-art monitoring equipments and life-saving equipments. And of course, thanks to Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited and Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Because all the treatment which is available in our intensive care unit is free of cost.
A super speciality like this means an expense of 10 to 15,000 rupees per child each day. An expense way beyond the means of any ordinary family. इस तरह की मुसीबत में लोगों के घर और खेत बिक जाते हैं।
With all the facilities currently present here, our institution is one of the best in the country.
A dynamic CSR policy responsive to the emerging needs of the country. The huge influx of cancer patients, and given their very vulnerable situation, MDL decided to partner with Sanjeevani Life Beyond Cancer, a pan-India NGO working in and along the regional cancer hospitals. कैंसर एक ऐसा रोग है जिसकी दहशत इलाज को बहुत मुश्किल बना देती है।
In any of the hospitals that you go in, the whole atmosphere is overwhelming because of the number of patients who are there and the amount of distress which is there.
MDL CSR supports Sanjeevani in placing trained support staff at the regional cancer centers. They guide and handhold cancer patients and their families when they come for treatment. A service much needed by the overburdened hospital administration, doctors, and the patients. Health is the core of human development. It defines the quality of life, the capacity to work and grow.
If they do not have access to good health care, certainly, whatever you do it on the poverty elevation is not going to help them out. So we have been focusing on both.
With its sharp focus on health, MDL, the shipbuilders to the nation, is committed to breaking the health poverty trap.